Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time then hi, my name is Latasha and I'm a small business owner at LR John Crafts where I make handmade items, a lot of hair accessories, dream catchers, jewellery, all that fun stuff, which I'll link it down below if you would like to have a look. But the video today is how to get curls using a wire headband. So I do have these on my shop and I am about to launch a whole new set, brand new fabrics that are gorgeous. So if you don't have one and you would like one, then please check my link down below and see what the new stock is, see if you like any of those. But basically, this tutorial is just with one headband, so I do have another tutorial with two headbands and you get a different curl pattern from that. So I'll also link that down below. If you've got long hair, that one is probably better. My hair goes all the way down to the bottom of my back when it's straight. And that one works better for me, so just bear that in mind. This one's really great for mid to short hair, but basically all you need is one of these and that's it. You can put in whatever hair products you want, you don't need to have anything fancy, you don't even need hairspray after if you don't want, but you do get these really lovely like loose curls, and actually you get a lot of volume with it as well, which is nice. So we're not going to talk about my hair colour because I did the typical lockdown thing and I gave myself some highlights, and before my hair was really dark brown. It was almost black even. So you know, I'm quite impressed really, except there's a few dodgy patches in there, but I do have a really great hairdresser friend who is going to fix it for me after, which I'm looking forward to. But for now, you know, it's okay. Thankfully, it's not too damaged. I did put 2 separate lots of bleach on it, which I haven't bleached my hair since I was a teenager, and this brought back a lot of memories, and I was quite scared for the outcome, but it's, you know, it's not too bad. So I'm really happy that I've got this way of curling my hair without using heat, because I'm not putting any heat on this at all, for as long as I can help it, and I like to wear my hair curly anyway, so this is great for me. But if you would like to see how I get these curls, so it's these exact ones here, then just keep watching the video. Okay, so we're going to start off with sort of almost dry hair. I think my hair's like 70% dry, so it's not too wet. As you see, it's almost dry. So this one's just the one headband. So what we're going to do is pop it. So put your hair down flat, and then over the hair, up, twist. So just basically like you would wear it if you were going to wear it as a headband. You throw it on the back like that. But you want it quite loose. Keep it like that. Then you part it into 2 and make it equal sections. And then all you're going to do is, bit by bit, just grab it like this and pull it over through the headband. You see? And then through. And then you just grab them all like this and do the same thing again. Pull it through. So it starts looking like that. And again, another section. Pull it through. This will be easier if you've got shorter hair than I do, just because by the time I get to the back, I sort of run out of room a little bit. But if your hair is, say, like here, maybe here, or up, this will work really well for you. And get another section. Right, hi everyone. So I've had this in for well, all day really. I put it in at 9 o'clock this morning and and it's now just after 8 o'clock in the evening. I've been out to the post office and to do the food shop and things like that, and I've just left it in this. I don't think it looks that bad. I think it's quite wearable actually. And the funny thing is when I went to the post office, the woman who works there was wearing her hair exactly like this, which I thought was quite funny. But yeah, so basically it's still, you know, in the same place. I'm just going to take it down for you and show you what it comes out like. It usually turns out well, so here's hoping. So basically just undo your headband like this, and then that just loosens it up and makes it a little bit easier. And then basically you just find the ends of your hair like this here and just unloop it. Obviously mine's really long, so sometimes this does get tangly, which is why I prefer to do the 2 headband method, which if you haven't watched that one and you have got long hair, then I'll link it down below. But otherwise this one is a lot better if you've got shorter hair. But it's okay, it's not too bad. Like, as you can see, it's not really too difficult to get it out. And then just the last side. Once you've got one side out, it's really easy because you can pull it forward and just look and see what you're doing. This one creates like really loose curls, whereas the other one you can get them quite tight. This one, for me anyway, it's a bit more relaxed. Just think to comb it through. Quite a lot of volume once you comb it through a little bit. Like, there's a lot of volume there. And the nice thing about doing the heatless curls is your hair feels really soft after. I've just bleached my hair and it still feels really soft. I'll put some leave-in conditioner in it after I washed it when it was damp. And that's it, but it feels really soft and bouncy. And what tends to happen when you use the curling ones and things is it dries your hair out, so you get like these crispy ends. But with this way, it's really nice and soft and bouncy. But I'm really happy with how these turned out, so give it a go yourself, see what you get.